Welcome back to Laced Up Beauty. This is a quick video, just simple tips on how to get heatless curls, or heatless waves, I guess you can call them, okay? So what you want to do is start out by either stretching or blow drying your hair. I use the Rev Air. Okay, y'all, so after you have your hair stretched out, you want to go in with the leave-in conditioner. I use the Rose Water TGIN on both sides. When you have the leave-in conditioner applied to both sides, you just want to put your hair in 2 braids back. Okay, and after you have your braids, you just want to go in and spray water on each braid. Keep in mind, the more water that you spray, the more curlier your hair will become. So you want waves, less sprays, okay? So that's it for today, family. I just wanted to show you how I do my heatless curls, my heatless waves. I'm just not a fan of straight hair, so hope this helps.